Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum, my dear students. How are you? You're good? That's nice. I welcome you in my class, that is English for grade 1, and we are learning Unit 4. Its title is Sharing is Caring. My dear fellow teachers, this lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation and worksheet links are given. You may click it, download it, follow it as it is or modify it for your convenience. I'm going to deliver my lecture according to this lesson plan. Yes, my dear students, today is lecture 2 and under the title of grammar, we are going to learn about punctuation, and we'll already have learned in previous class in your English primer, you have learned about punctuation mark, specifically as full stop. Okay, so we have taught you where to place full stop. I hope you remember. If not, you may watch this video lecture again, and we are going to learn further to recognize and use a full stop at the end of the statement. This is our today's SL. Let's start with the name of Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala. So beta, whenever we recite Quran, are you learning how to recite Quran? MashaAllah, that's good. And I hope all of you have memorized Surah Ikhlas, right? So beta, if you have learned it, very good. If not, you should learn it now. All right. Now, my dear children, when we recite this surah, we take pauses. Okay. So this pause, alhamdulillah, our Quran teaches us everything. Where we are supposed to stop, there is a mark and we have to stop here. All right. So likewise, we practice it in writing and reading English. What is the purpose? For example, these sentences are written in front of you and you see there is no full stop anywhere. How will you read it? Let's try. I am 7 years old. I study in class 1. I like. No, it is not making sense. Okay, let's read it again. I am 7 years old. I study in class 1. I like games playing. You see, beta, because there is no full stop, so I don't know where to stop, where to take a pause. And when we don't take pause properly, it does not make any sense. So let's place full stop and read it again. I am 7 years old. So this full stop means I have to take a pause here, and this pause shows here this sentence is complete. Okay, so this full stop shows that this sentence ends over here and we have to start a new sentence after full stop. I study in class 1. Full stop. I like playing games. I like to eat an apple. You see, when we place full stop, the statement makes it proper sense. That's why at the end of every statement, which is just a statement, we place this dot, which is known as full stop, right? So we will learn further about it. We use the full stop at the end of a sentence. So whenever we want to end a sentence, we place a full stop. It means we stop our sentence over here, and while reading, when you find a full stop, you have to take a pause over here and then start reading again. All right? Okay. So all of you open your book on page number 38. Full stop. We use full stop at the end of a sentence. For example, this is your car. This is a sentence, and this full stop tells that this sentence is complete here. I like my English teacher. Full stop. That's good. You like your English teacher. That's me. Good. All right. So this is how better we place a full stop to tell that this sentence ends here, right? Now it's time for practice. You will rewrite these sentences and use a full stop. Write these sentences in your notebook and place a full stop where you need to place it. Okay, pause the video, complete this task in your notebook and then come back. Yes, my dear children, are you done with it? Good job, you are smart. It's time for your homework. You will write 5 sentences which will be given by the teacher to punctuate at home. Okay, this is your homework and here is a worksheet. My dear fellow teachers, this worksheet, lesson plan, PowerPoint presentation links are given. You may click it, download it and kindly provide a printed worksheet to students for practice. And my dear children, look at these sentences. There is no full stop in this sentence, so you have to complete it by placing full stop. Okay, so what we have learned today, we recognized full stop and we learned the use of full stop and we practiced the use of full stop. So in this way we achieved our SLO, that is to recognize and use a full stop at the end of this statement. Are we done with it? Yes. So that's it for today. Tomorrow I'll come again with a very interesting lesson. Till that time, keep learning and take very good care of yourself. Thank you and Allah Hafiz.